Yes, we live, and basically, there's a new update that ChatGPT just released a couple days ago. That is being able to create images with Dall-E 3 right on ChatGPT, and I'll show you in a bit exactly how to do that. I think it's an amazing update, and you guys really need to check it out. So obviously, you gotta have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, and if you move over here, you see a couple options available. Browse with Bing, but what you're looking for is this option here with Dall-E 3. So how does it work? Let's see. The good thing about this is that you don't necessarily need to have the crazy complex prompts that we normally used to have with Midjourney or the likes, right? You could just have a simple prompt, and let's test it out. So you can see this. This is created 3D cartoon warrior riding on a tiger. Let's check what ChatGPT with Dall-E 3 will give us in a minute. Typically brings up this option, and here we have it. So it typically brings out 4 images to choose from, right? And I think this is really good. I think I like image 2, so I'll go with image 2, right? So I could just say, let me say I want this to be a night, okay, instead of it to be a day. So image 2, make it night. Let's check this out. Have it. Here's a modified version of the image. So yes, as you can see, it's the moon in the background and it's during the night, as opposed to this, right? So let's say we want to add a text to it, right? We just want to make it say something like let's say welcome to the jungle, right? I put this and I say add text to this image that reads welcome to the jungle, and let's check it out to give it a minute to load. Okay, so welcome to the jungle. I think I made a mistake with the spelling, if you can see. So I could just say the text wasn't typed out right. Let me check it again, because sometimes it makes mistakes, so we got to be careful about it. So let's see what it should bring out in a minute. Okay, so here's the correct excuse me, here's the corrected version, and to be honest, this is a really nice image. Okay, and now another thing you could do about it is also change the sizes of the image. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT what sizes are available. Okay, so we kind of know the different variations that we can use for this, and you can see there's a square version, there's a wide version, and there's a tall version. So we could just say, I could say make this image wide, for example. So let me see, let me edit this, put this over here, and no, let me say wide. Make this image wide. Let's see what it bring out in a minute. Okay, so it's wider. It's a really nice image. I like the realistic version, the quality of the image. And here over the prompt, you could see wide 3D cartoon interpretation of a warrior with a featherweight helmet holding a shield. So you could copy this, and you could save it somewhere else as a reference. You could download the image, and it's quite an amazing image. You could see it really clear, really high quality. So now let's go over to Midjourney to check out some images, and how we can use the prompt on Midjourney to see how they look like on ChatGPT. Okay, because you can actually do that. So over here, let me see a couple cool ones. Let me find one. So let me copy this prompt, and let's go check it out in ChatGPT. So this, and as you can see, the image, if you go over and we check the one that Midjourney actually brought out, you can see it's similar. This is obviously during the day, and this is during the night, probably because it was the continuation of the charts where having earlier with the previous image, and I told it it should be night, so it kind of remembered that and used it, and you can quite see it's quite similar. Okay, so the prompts you have on Midjourney could also be used on ChatGPT, right? And there you have it, right? I hope you found this useful. This is an amazing update. I want to see what you guys are doing about this, your comments, your feedback, and I will see you on the next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and see you next time.